Don't download Scotia iTRADE app before watching this. If you're considering the Scotia iTRADE app, you need to pause. Most people think it's just another trading platform, but the reality is a bit more nuanced, and here's why it matters. Scotia iTRADE is primarily geared toward Canadian investors, offering access to stocks, its mutual funds and options. The surprising truth is that while it's powerful for serious traders, beginners often find the interface complex. The dashboard has multiple tabs, advanced charts, and detailed order options, which can be overwhelming if you're just starting out. Next, fees are something many overlook. Scotia iTRADE charges per trade, and if you're an active trader, these costs can add up quickly. For casual investors, it's important to calculate how these fees might affect your long-term returns. Another consideration is research tools. Scotia iTRADE provides decent market insights, analyst reports, and screeners, but they aren't as comprehensive or intuitive as competitors like Questrade or Wealthsimple Trade. If you rely heavily on research-driven trading, this could be a limitation. On the upside, Scotia iTRADE offers strong security and customer support, along with access to registered accounts like RISPs and DFSs. This makes it a solid choice for Canadian investors who are comfortable with a more traditional trading platform and want a range of account types. In conclusion, don't download Scotia iTRADE expecting a simple, beginner-friendly app. It works best for experienced investors who understand trading fees, advanced order types, and account management. Know your trading style, assess your needs, and compare alternatives to ensure you're choosing the right platform for your investment journey.